Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Super KVNs. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Nasruddin's M. This is the third chapter of class 4th English. So in part 1 today we will discuss about the story explanation. So let's start the story. So this story, Nasruddin's M, it is based on a different personality of Nasruddin. So what happened? One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. Means Nasruddin was talking with his friends. Chatting means talking. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery." When he was talking, in the meantime he began to boast, means he began to make himself proudly he said that no one can match my skill in archery. Archery is the skill. Archery is one event when the bow and the arrow is used to shoot the target. So I string the bow, take an aim and shoot an arrow. Nasruddin told that when he string the bow means the thread that is used in the bow is called string. So when Nasruddin take the string and take an aim and shoot an arrow, aim means target. If Nasruddin will take the arrow and shoot on any target, it will definitely, the arrow is sure to hit bang on the target, means the arrow will definitely hit the target. So Nasruddin was boasting among the friends. Hearing this, one of his friend immediately bought a bow and some arrows. When hearing the boast of the Nasruddin, one of his friend immediately bought one bow and some arrows to test Nasruddin whether Nasruddin is right or wrong. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrow." Then, pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." So, giving them to Nasruddin, the friend of Nasruddin gave the bow and some arrows, and he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrow." After giving the bow and arrow, he pointed toward a target. There was a target. He said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Aim at that target and shoot an arrow. So what is target? Target is something which is made of a circle and there are some colors. If you will put your aim exactly at the center, I am showing you, you can see this type of target is there in the archery. If you will hit the target in the center, you will win the race. So this is the event of archery. In this way the target met in the event archery. After getting the bow and arrows, what Nasruddin did? Let's see. Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. When Nasruddin got the bow, he shot the target. But what happened? Oh, the arrow did not hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. So, you can see here in this image, the arrow fell down somewhere in the middle. So, what happened then? Haha, his friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best time?" So, after seeing that the arrow missed the target, his friends told, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best time?" Then what happened? "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin. Defending himself, Nasruddin told, "No, not at all. It is not my aim." Defending himself. Defending means protecting himself. This was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just shot you. Then when the target missed, Nasruddin told, "No, it was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. And I was showing you how the Azad shoots an arrow. I was just showing you that how Azad shoots the arrow." So Nasruddin told that it was not his own aim. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. As he missed the first chance, he picked another arrow, and what happened then? Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target, and shot the arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, hold tightly, and aimed the target. This time the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen before. This time what happened? The arrow fell the little further when the first target was there, just a little distance between the first target and this time. So what happened then? But it certainly did not hit the target. Then asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow?" "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. So when this time again the target missed, Nasruddin told that, No, this was not my own aim." As their friend asked Nasruddin, "It must be how you shoot an arrow." But Nasruddin denied. "Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim." He told that, No, it was not my aim. It was the chief guard's aim. So again in the second time also Nasruddin denied that it was not his own aim. Now somebody remarked, "Well, now who is next on the list?" Now some of the friend of Nasruddin commented that, "Oh, first one was Azad Sam, second one was the chief guard Sam. So which next? Means next time you are going to show which aim?" Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Hearing this comment, all the friends of Nasruddin burst out in laughing. They started laughing very loudly. After seeing all this, what Nasruddin reacted? Let's see. After seeing the laughing of his friends, Nasruddin did not say a word. This time he did not say a single word. He quietly picked up one more arrow, and again he strung the bow and shot the target. And this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit bang on the target. This time Nasruddin was really lucky as the arrow hit bang, means hit on the exact target at the center. you can see here in this image that this time the arrow was exactly at the center of the target. So everybody started at Nasruddin. Their mouths agape in amazement, means all were surprised, and they were remain silent, wordless. They had nothing to say. Before anyone could say anything, before his friends say anything else, Nasruddin said triumphantly. Triumphantly means proudly, feeling proud of something. What Nasruddin said? Did you see that? It was my aim. This time Nasruddin told that, did you see that? It was my aim. Means in the story, when Nasruddin started hitting the arrow in the target, first one he missed, second one again he missed, but third one, when the target was at the right center, he told that this one was my aim. Means Nasruddin was really clever to show the skill of talking, chatting with the friends. Though he was not good at archery, but he was enough smart to prove it. So now we will move to the new words. You can see few new words are there. So one by one we will discuss about the new words. So let's start. So let's start. The first one is chatting. To talk in a friendly way, means to talking with someone, to gossiping with someone. Let's frame a sentence. She was chatting with my best friend in the classroom. She was talking with my best friend. Next word, archery. Shooting with a bow and an arrow. It is an event which is held with the help of bow and an arrow. It is a event even in the Olympic also. So let's form a sentence. I took part in archery competition in school. Next one, string. A thread that can be twisted. Means a thread that can be twisted or folded. For example, the clothes were hanging on the string. Next one, target. Means the aim, the specific point of center. So here he was our target in the match. He was our target in the match. You have targeted some players. Next one, defending. To protect from harm or danger. If you want to protect yourself from some harm or danger. My mother was defending my younger brother from father. When father was calling the younger brother, mother generally defend us from our father. Amazement. A feeling of great surprise or wonder. For example, I answered the question in amazement. I was surprised. I answered the question in amazement. Next one, triumphantly. Having achieved victory. If you have achieved some victory, you will call it triumphantly. Next, let's frame a sentence. She shouted triumphantly after winning the match. She shouted triumphantly after winning the match in the victory. So it was all about today's lesson, Nasruddin's aim. In the next lesson we will discuss about the question answer. So you can visit our blog superkvns.blogspot.com for more educational contents, and at the same time if you have any queries you can feel free to write directly to akm.kvs@gmail.com. So thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.